I've done the research on senior discounts you didn't know about for flights and hotels, so you don't have to. Some of what I found surprised me, especially the deals most people walk right past. Let me show you what's actually worth your time and money. Let's talk honestly about senior discounts you didn't know about for flights and hotels. The travel industry markets heavily to seniors, but not all of it delivers. Some destinations that advertise senior-friendly aren't. Some discounts that sound great have hidden restrictions. And some of the best options aren't advertised at all. They're shared by word of mouth among experienced travelers. I've sorted through all of it so I can tell you what's actually good. Here's my system for finding the best value on senior discounts you didn't know about for flights and hotels. First, I check AARP and AAA, but only after I've found the regular price, because sometimes their discount is actually higher than booking direct. Second, I look at shoulder season dates. Traveling just 1 week before or after peak season can cut costs by 30 to 50%. Third, I call and ask for the senior rate directly. Many places have unpublished rates they only give if you ask. There are a few traps to avoid with senior discounts you didn't know about for flights and hotels. Travel insurance is the big one. Most standard policies have age limits or exclusions you won't notice until it's too late. Also, be wary of free excursions and included meals. They're built into the price, and you're paying whether you use them or not. And always check cancellation policies. At our age, flexibility matters more than saving $20. Your preparation checklist for senior discounts you didn't know about for flights and hotels. First, check that your medications are legal at your destination and bring copies of prescriptions. Second, notify your bank and credit card companies of your travel dates. Third, download offline maps and translation apps before you leave. And one bonus tip, take a photo of your passport, insurance card, and emergency contacts and text them to a family member. If you lose your phone or wallet, you'll thank yourself. Subscribe for more honest travel guidance for retirees. No sponsored trips, no fluff, just real advice from someone who does the homework. Where should I cover next? Let me know below.